Hey everyone, this is G. I'm still setting up my painting space in LA, but in the meantime, let me show you a cool way to do the Dutch pour. So one of the trickiest parts of the Dutch pour is using the blow dryer. The thing with blow dryers is they come in different power outputs, they have different attachments at the end, different nozzles if you will, and that creates different patterns for the blowout. Some of them work, some of them don't, and this is where a lot of people struggle. So I'm going to show you a cool way to do the Dutch pour where you can just use a straw. You can also work on small canvases where you wouldn't be able to normally if you were using a blow dryer, and this way we can preserve some of our materials. We're going to be using Flood Float Roll as our pouring medium, and Liquitex Basics. We're using the Phthalo Green, Titanium White, and Primary Blue. The recipe we're using is 3 parts of float roll to 1 part of paint, and this will be the recipe throughout. This will be the recipe for the base, this will be the recipe for the colors, and we'll use it throughout everything. So sometimes you'll kind of ruin the blowout. You might not like the final product. It's just not to your liking, the pattern isn't to your liking. So I'll show you a trick that you can do with the back of a paintbrush or a skewer or a toothpick or some sort of stick to create sort of these little folds in the petals that make it look a lot more interesting in 3D. And this can make even the most average of blowouts look a lot more interesting. So let me show you how to do that. So that's how I do my Dutch pours with a straw. You can try this method on smaller canvas, you can try it even on bigger canvas if you want. This is just an easier way if you don't have the right blow dryer, or if the blow dryer is too messy for you, or if you just want to try the technique, use the straw trick and use the stick modification trick if you don't like the blowout to really make your Dutch pours pop. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing or following my channel depending on where you're seeing this video. And if you'd like to learn more about acrylic pouring, check out my course, Acrylic Pouring for Beginners, on my website, gpours.com. I'll link it below.